if the machine is seriously clogged and unloading filament can't work. You can try operating the unload and load functions multiple times. This will allow you to melt the remaining filament and subsequently use tools to clean it. However, if the filament happens to break inside the heat break and cannot be cleaned, you can still employ a small piece of filament to clean it up. Finally, after the cleaning process is completed, the filament extrusion will be remarkably smooth. After cleaning the nozzle, pay attention to inserting the tube into the nozzle.